We are excited to have the opportunity to work with Timcon Construction and all of the subcontractors as part of this terminal expansion project. Here at the Red Deer Regional Airport, we have been working tirelessly on an expansion program that involves 3 phases. So phase 1 we completed in 2023, which included the expansion of our main runway, the apron, and the taxiway. This expansion allows us to land 737 aircraft or wide-body aircraft at the airport. Then we moved into phase 2, which is the expansion of this beautiful terminal. This terminal allows us to be able to accommodate CATSA and CBSA compliant passengers for the 737 aircraft, which is around 189 passengers for both arrival and departures.
The fall of 2023, Timcon entered into a design-build contract with the Red Deer Airport Authority. A point of note here is Timcon Construction was the original general contractor for the original building back in 1979. So we've got a historical connection to this building, so we definitely wanted to be a part of the expansion. The project involved an 11,250 square foot addition to the existing facility. One of the mandates for the airport was it had to remain open for business on the existing side. One of our other challenges was the location of the existing control tower. It's not an actual tower. It sits approximately a floor above the roof level. So when we had construction equipment, cranes, concrete pumps doing the roofing, we had to maintain good communication with NAV Canada in case any emergencies were coming in, emergency flights, and they had to maintain strict sight lines for all the incoming and outgoing airport traffic while we were building.
We're really excited. This project has gone very well with all of the contractors and managing all of the regulations and the compliancies that we have to as an airport. So we appreciate being a part of this award ceremony, and we wish Timcon all the best.
We would like to thank the Red Deer Regional Airport Authority and their building committee, primarily Nancy Parrish, the CEO, Group 2 Architecture and the rest of our consulting committee, all of our subtrades, local suppliers, and hopefully down the road, all of you will make your way to the airport and get to see our work, get on a plane and go somewhere warm.